Okay, scenario, we were drifting. My engine popped because too much boosties. And now, what am I gonna do? What's gonna happen? Well, look who's here to save the day. Buddy, I love your car. I love it more and more every day. And I need one.
I love seeing it on your property, man. You do need one though. We need a Skyline, we need a 240. I want a 240Z. You already got your Z.
We just need one of everything Nissan built between 1985 and up. Until they started getting boring. Yeah. Once they started getting boring, you guys can keep those to yourself. So this morning, a bunch of progress is going down. We're getting the fence put in, finally. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I've been telling you guys I want to do it for a while. It's finally going down today. I showed you guys a couple videos ago that I ripped out like this little baby one that was here. And now you guys have seen they're putting one all the way, like way up to the road, all the way up to the back of the shop. It's gonna look so good, dude.
Dude, I can't wait.
It's gonna be so nice.
The property's gonna look like $1 million once that fence is up.
So this morning, they're working on the fence and me and Courtney actually went and got our first COVID shot.
He got the 5G upgrade.
I upgraded my service to 5G. I've been on 3G for a while.
Everybody else is getting them, but
I know. Well, my whole family has it too. I just don't have it yet. Like Chris is about to get his. I got mine today. So since we're getting a late start today, we don't really have any time to do some super fun stuff. We do have time.
We're gonna go scoop up a little surprise for the Drift G. Hopefully we ain't gonna be breaking down this summer at the Drift events, but we will have something to help us out if we do.
How's it feel to be back at the graveyard so soon?
Feels like home.
Okay, so we are at the graveyard. I'm just calling it the graveyard.
Gas pump graveyard.
We're at the graveyard of many things. You can call it the gas pump graveyard. You can call it whatever you want. This spot specifically where we are at, I'm gonna just throw this out there just because I feel like what goes around comes around. I want this piece of land. I want this piece of land so bad. Dude, this is such a sick spot. It's massive, it's quiet. It's in the middle of an industrial place. So we could do literally whatever we want and make all the noise we want. I'm just throwing it out there, buddy.
Okay, so basically, for you guys that don't know,
which none of them would know.
None of you guys really know actually, but if you watch Robbie's video, you'd know I was a petroleum mechanic before I made the leap to join Robbie. This is like my old work yard. Would bring back pumps, rip parts off, or whatever we had to do. And it's just like basically a gas pump graveyard. Some cool stuff here, but we're back to scoop up something that my boss said I could have.
Shout out Don.
Shout out to Don. This old unused trailer that's just been sitting around for numerous years, and we're gonna put it to some good use this summer. Hopefully down at the Drift Days.
First things first though, we got the only, out of this whole lineup of trailers, we got the only trailer that is legit abandoned. So we gotta get this thing out. I absolutely love this place. I have no idea why, but every time I come here, it just makes me like super happy. It's like a museum of old pumps. It's kind of windy, but the main reason we are here, Chris has been unearthing this thing. It's actually not super bad. They say they move it around the yard a little bit, but you guys could tell when we first pulled up, like everything that's in this trailer, all the stuff back there, all that junk was either on this, in front of this, around this. And then the other ones are like just completely free of stuff. So this one was just like the dump and ditch trailer. But it's cool, and I don't really know how much Chris explained it, but when he was leaving, he basically told his boss like exactly what he was leaving for, right?
Yeah.
Because your boss knew who I was, like knew about YouTube and all that stuff for a while.
Yeah, my boss had seen Robbie cruising the streets in his BRZ a couple times, and he actually thought the car was cool, and he like sent me some photos of it, and I was like, that's my buddy. But no, like, yeah, he was super supportive, and he said I could have this thing.
Those of you guys that don't know, Chris bought a G as a daily one time when he was a kid. And then he sold it to this guy, and then this guy was selling it, so he bought it back as a drift car. And so him and Tim split it because they both wanted to get in drifting, and they're both dads, and they both
have kids, so we don't have the moolah. But
anyways, his boss was like, yo, if you want this thing, if it'll help you get to some drift days, so you don't have to drive the G down, so you can beat on it a bit harder and actually like fully send without being scared, you can have it. Which is super cool because I feel like I owe it to me, to the members at least, because the members are the only ones that have seen the trailer that me and Brad bought at West, and I kind of feel like Brad would be super hyped to be a part of this or see it too. I was showing you the video this morning. Yeah. It is right now completely in the earth. I made a video of a trailer that we found in BC. We got it and we never did anything with it. We literally just sold it because it ended up being too narrow. It was a whole thing, it never panned out. It's unfortunate. But now we got this actually pretty decent frame to build off of. And it comes with a winch, which is absolutely fire because what's yours is mine, and what's mine is yours, which means I ain't gotta buy a winch now. We have one.
We don't know what it all needs. We got a couple holes to patch, but other than
nothing we haven't done before. Just came on, so that's not good. That's not good at all.
Yeah, we'll have to check a couple things out.
Well, we made it, so I guess we're winning.
All right, buddy. So, what do you want to do next?
I want to see if the winch works. I want to actually like check it out pretty quick, show these guys a little bit more, because we didn't really show them, we just kind of dug it out.
Sounds like a plan to me. I really want to see if the winch works.
I want it, the winch is like one of the key components. If the winch isn't working, we may as well just give it back. You know? Honestly, I don't even know where to start, dude. I'm saying this is like a 16-foot trailer. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Mine is 16 from this corner to the black, and then there's another 2 feet of dovetail to kind of end it off. And I'm thinking that this deck size feels pretty much the same as that deck size. Here, I'll run this over. Oh, you grabbed the bad one with no feet.
188 inches.
Nice.
15 and 8 inches, 15 feet.
So where'd you measure to the wood?
Right here. So we'll call it 16.
Yeah, so 15 feet, 8 inches
So
plus
16.
whatever, because front to back, like where this back thing is to where the front is, because we measured the board, is 16 feet.
Yeah.
So like we said, this was Chris's boss's trailer, so you said what? You hauled around like bobcats and stuff with it?
No, this one we just did like full lengths of galvanized pipe.
Oh, so it was literally just a work trailer.
Yeah.
It's a car trailer, but you never used it for
Yeah,
cars.
that's all I ever seen it used for. So I've seen much use of it. Like in my almost 9 years of being with them, we used it a couple times to haul like 21 lengths of pipe.
And you could tell it was like a work trailer because there's like, you know, they obviously dings, and like this light is completely different from this light, which is just like a work trailer thing, because who cares when it's a work trailer, you just put a light on.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't matter. I mean, all in all, it's like a 6 out of 10. Free trailer cannot be beaten. It's a present. I give it a 6 out of 10. It needs some work. I'll show you guys. Getting a free trailer gifted to you and then fixing it is gonna be absolutely the cheapest way you're ever gonna get your hands on a trailer. Yeah. You're never gonna buy something at 100%. The quality we can fix this up to for the price we're gonna spend fixing it.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's a sick deal.
Oh,
Done. Anyways, so right away, this fender looks like it's been doinked, but that's really nothing. We can pull that out. This is the worst spot I'm seeing. What's nice is you hit that with a hammer to dent that, right? I was on the phone with Chris one day when he was at work, and he was just smashing this thing with a sledge, trying to find weak spot.
We just walked around it, gave her a couple taps, some good taps, some love taps.
Either way, that's good though. So he was beating this, and it's all fine. This spot is like rusty, but like it's not really like rotten. The issue, and I know exactly why your trailer's doing this, is because this is open-ended. This is a stupid design. Anybody that does this, it's a stupid design. If you guys have a trailer like this, put something there, cover it, because this is dumb.
Closed-ended over there.
Well, that's even worse.
That's what I mean, because it just like
catches road debris right into it, and it doesn't come out.
Yeah.
So we'll have to clean that out. But I mean, aside from that, the rest is basically surface rust. All this, and then what we're thinking. You have this, which is a really cool bonus. Mine doesn't have that. For like strapping stuff too, I gotta put mine through like the slot. Wheels look relatively new and nice. Tires are nice. We obviously have a wiring short or something, because when we were driving it was coming on and off, but that's easy to find. We got that, and I mean, honestly, the rest of it, like I said, it's kind of scuffed up and beat up. This side is completely fine as far as rust goes. There's absolutely no issues with this side. That's the driver's side, so obviously the salt on the road has just killed that side. And it seems to be rated pretty good. The tongue weight on this boy right here, like this thing's rated for 10,000 pounds. You have 2 axles, 2 3,500 pound axles, which is what I have.
Yeah.
And then your gross weight rating is 7,000 pounds. So this trailer is rated exactly the same as mine. Right. Which means you can do whatever the heck you want, because we do not have, whatever, if the trailer weighs 2,000 pounds, fine, dude. You got more, you can carry the G, you can carry anything. Anything you have, it'll be good. It obviously needs some new deck boards too, dude. Look at these things. These are crunchy, dead.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be the first thing coming off, I think.
Yeah, and it's gonna be the most expensive just because of right now the wood prices.
The wood's gonna kill it. It costs like $1 million for just a new deck.
Yeah, both a damn nice $1 million deck.
Yeah, it's gonna be fresh. We'll stain her. Let's check the ramps out. See what we got going down. I know my boss was talking to me about this thing, and he said that he had the ramps welded a little longer than they came. I guess
like extended a little bit.
Yeah, he got them extended.
Oh, I guess we only have to pull out one. I don't know what I'm doing. Put my back. Oh damn, that is steep. Oh yeah, that is baby.
So
we're gonna need to build some ramps here, brother. He did get it welded, you could see. No wonder he got it extended, dude. Who the, imagine, this was one whole square extra, you can see right here.
yeah.
Imagine that even with less.
Oh yeah.
What the heck? This is like Mount Everest, bro. Ain't no way anything's getting up that. Everything, it's like one of those things where like everything just needs a grind down and then we'll frame paint the crap out of it.
Freshen it up.
Yeah.
It's pretty solid. I mean,
one of the best things that happened for me was having my trailer. Like last year when we tried to get into drifting, I would just send it. I didn't care. If I crashed, I crashed. Like it just didn't bother me because I had my truck and I had my trailer at the drift events. Like I can just go home. But these guys had to drive the G home after every event.
yeah, we just roasted that thing, roasted the tires and just cruised around home.
Having this at a drift event is literally like the main reason Chris picked it up. Because if he can tow the G down, it'll give him and Tim the confidence to just send it as hard as they want. Doesn't matter what happens, you're good to go, buddy.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know, I'm excited.
Obviously she's gonna need some love, and obviously I don't know why, but I love trailers. I get way too excited about trailers all the time.
I know what I'm not excited about.
What?
Trying to get this winch to go because you got no batteries.
I got one. I got the S10 batteries charged up and ready to go.
Okay.
Oh wait, this is not plugged in.
To go out?
It worked. That was out.
Oh.
That might have been back. No, that's in. It's backwards. The button's backwards.
That's fine.
Bro, no way. It just works.
Let's test her out.
It just works.
You want to give her a Yankee?
Bro, okay, stop it there for a sec. This is a long boy. 16-foot trailer. That's at least 2 trailers. And we still have how many layers left? Like it started here, went 1, 2, 3 passes. And we still have at least 1, 2 more that you can see. There might even be a 3rd one buried under there. That's sick
like
though.
People out of the ditch.
No kidding. Cool is like we're planning on taking this winch and we're gonna mount it to this trailer. Obviously it's got its own little whatever trailer setup plate thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a bracket to put it on my trailer.
Yeah.
And then we're
gonna shop.
Yeah, and we're gonna make a bracket to put it on the floor of the shop. That way, like if anything's dead, especially in like the winter or whatever when it's all snowy here, we can just winch out, grab onto it, and yank it inside. So it's gonna be a modular winch, which is gonna be a pain to make it happen, but dude, free and it works. Okay, scenario, we were drifting. My engine popped because too much boosties, and now what am I gonna do? What's gonna happen? Well, look who's here to save the day. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm sweating. I'm sweating big. I was so scared of like this just going and shattering right on my face. It winched the car up, and this is a fat bitch. This is like the heaviest car we have.
What are they, like 30?
They're like 33.
Oh, 33, that's not bad.
Well, it's the same weight as the Z actually, but yeah, that's heavy, man. Well, I did do some weight reduction recently, so it's actually probably about 3,000, but dude, not bad for a free trailer. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, thanks for the new Genesis.
Yeah, you wish. Thanks for the truck towing. It's mine. You get out of here. God, we need to go drifting. You want to go drifting?
I do, buddy.
Okay, let's go.
That's all I want to do, man. That's what I want to do for Father's Day, so we better make it happen. I'm excited for the Rob man to hopefully teach me some fabbing. Help me.
Facts.
He's gonna teach me how to weld on this thing. It's a perfect project, man.
It is. Wow, and it's even yours, so you won't feel all nervous.
Yeah, I'm stoked, buddy.
All right, that's it. Today's video, I know is super quick, but we were just like, we had a half day to do something and we were like, yo, we should get the trailer going. So it's a welding project. It's something else to sit in my driveway.
Exactly. Filled a lot.
I hope you guys are pumped. I'm super pumped. You guys know I love trailers. And Chris has never had a trailer or anything, so this is cool for him too. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.
I feel like I'm pretty fortunate to have been given this to me. Is that a word? Is that a sentence?
No, I don't think that was a sentence. I think it was a good try at a sentence, but I think it was just a little off of English. We also need to get you a Foley jack, because this is just, it's rude, really. Like, it's just rude. You gotta do this for 45 minutes before it contacts the ground.